Welcome to step 18, part 3, seat installation. Tools required for this step are an impact driver with a number 2 Robertson head driver, a drill, corded or cordless, with a 1/8 drill bit, a 5/32 center punch or a framing nail will suffice, a number 2 Robertson head screwdriver, a hammer or a mallet. Hardware: 4 number 8 by 1 1/4 inch wood screws, white or yellow glue, and damp paper towel to wipe your glue up at the end. One thing you want to remember is after you've come from the previous step where you drilled 4 countersink holes, make sure that you remove any tear it on the back with sandpaper. Now we're going to take our seat. We're going to position the front of the reference mark so we have it aligned the right way. Next step is to position take your center punch, pointy end, make sure that everything's aligned. Take your center punch, take your hammer or your mallet, do a little tap. This is called a witness mark, making sure that you're holding your seat in the right place so it doesn't move. Remove that. If you have, make a mark on the witness marks that you have just made. They might be pretty obvious. Do that 4 times. Pick up your cordless drill or corded drill, and you are going to make sure the drill is vertical in both directions, and you're going to drill approximately 3/4 of an inch into the 4 holes. I'm going to put the camera down so I can do this a better job at it. And ensure that you have the drill nice and 90 degrees in both axes to the holes. Remove the chips. Make sure there's no chips that are going to block this. Take your wood glue. Put a strip up to the line. Don't put it past the line. Spread the glue out evenly along the bead, like so. Don't worry about getting it into the pilot hole that you just drilled. Bring back your seat. Make sure that you have the reference mark on the front of that. Pick up your impact driver. Grab a number 8 screw. Position it in the hole. At this point here, I forgot to do this, but you can put some soap onto the threads as well. Get those screws started. Don't over tighten it. Don't over tighten it. A few little hits of the impact driver. Don't over tighten it. Common problem with students. Put aside the impact driver. Pick up the number 2 Robertson head bit. Hand tighten. Be careful not to over tighten. Remember, the glue is going to do quite a lot of the work. Hand tighten till it's snug. Get your fingers inside, loosen up the machine bolts, carefully remove, watch for your spacers to fall out and your cushions, and then you're going to open the project up, and you are going to take your paper towel and you are going to look for any glue that might have, where did that go now? Okay, that's this side here. Make sure that you remove any glue possible. I'm doing a quick job of this, but make sure that you get in here and remove any bit of glue that has protruded. And if all goes well, this is the first point where you are going to see that your project might actually be closer to a fold and stool. Here we go. Ta-da! There we have it. That's the beginnings of your assembly. And we will continue on to the next step, which will be the braces. Over and out.